when we work in our gardens, we like to work smart because we're doing a lot of activities. Well, I have some new tools that are going to make your work so much easier. I'm with Wayne from STIHL Tools, and so Wayne, we love coming because we love gadgets. I think gardeners are gadget people too. So tell us about some of the things that will make our lives so much easier in our gardens.
Well, among those is the Kombi system for all the different tools that you need for maintaining your yard and your garden, edgers, line trimmers, hedge clippers, blowers. All these different tools are in the Kombi system. And we've had this for 20 years. And these are old tools that I've had that long. But just recently we've came out with some battery powered power heads for them. And this is one of those. The battery drops in and away you go. It's quiet, it's as powerful as the gas, and you really can just do a lot of work on one charge of that battery.
That is nice. And so explain a little bit about the Kombi, because we have some new gardeners here. And so really you get like one piece that works with so many tools, so you don't have to have a lot of heavy things, you just kind of interchange them all.
Well, that's it. You don't have to have 10 engines to have 10 tools. You just have one power head. That could be gas or that might be battery, and that's all you have to maintain.
Cool.
And that's always where the maintenance is in the engine or the power supply. So it's a super good idea, and it also condenses into a smaller package if you have limited space in your garage or wherever you store your tools.
That is so true, because of space. That's always the other thing too, and that might be, I can't get that tool because I don't have the space. But
That's
really,
right.
That solves another problem there.
It does. It does. It makes space so you can have more of something else.
Right, right. And then we need to talk safety, because they are power tools. You're not
That's
just
right.
using a trowel. So what do you expect us to do for that?
Well, anytime you're using tools, it's really a good idea to have eye protection and hearing protection. And I always say gloves are good, long pants, boots. Don't think that because it's a line trimmer and it's safe and go out there with your flip-flops on. That's not a good idea.
That's true. And because we want to be able to enjoy our gardens too.
That's right.
Not be injured.
That's right.
That's true. Well, you know, STIHL Tools are in many places around the area, and so where can we find the dealers?
If you just Google STIHL and your town, you'll find out where your dealer is, and they'll be happy to help you.
Definitely. Really good knowledge there too. So if you can go to gardentime.tv, we'll click you over to that website, and you can go to the STIHL dealers and get some of these tools for your garden for this year. Thanks so much.
Thank you.